How to change the default browser on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch which browser opens automatically whenever you tap a link without prompting you to choose every time. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Apps. After that, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. At this point, tap Choose Default Apps from the menu that appears. From here, tap Browser app at the top of the list. Following this, you'll see every browser currently installed on your device listed out. After that, tap on whichever one you want to set as your default, and it will be selected straight away. From here, any link you tap from now on, whether it's in a message, an email, or another app, will automatically open in that browser without prompting you to choose every time. Finally, if you ever install a new browser and want to switch again, just come back to the same default apps page and update your selection from there. That's how you change the default browser on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!